Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss how to reset Blue Star AC remote. Let's get started. First, make sure your air conditioner is turned off for safety. On most Blue Star AC remotes, you'll find a small reset button. It's usually a tiny pinhole button located near the battery compartment or on the front panel of the remote. Use a pointed object, like a pen tip or paper clip, to gently press and hold the reset button for a few seconds. This will clear the remote's memory and restore the default factory settings. While resetting, it's also a good idea to check the batteries. If they are weak or dead, replace them with new ones for better performance. After resetting, point the remote at your Blue Star AC and press the power button. The AC should respond normally. And that's it. Your Blue Star AC remote has now been reset and should work like new. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.